here's the miner. First, let's plug it in and it'll show up the welcome page. You just have to wait a few seconds. It'll switch into this Wi-Fi configuration page and scan the QR code and then press the Join Jingle Miner network. We're now looking at the setup page. In terms of the top, SSID and password. You just type in the Wi-Fi that is available at home. Type it in and type in pool.vkbit.com for pool address. Alright, pool.vkbit.com and type 3333 for the pool port. Okay, then attached on to your BTC wallet address. Finally, type in the time zone for where you lived. For example, I live in Shanghai, so I am using the +8 time zone. Alright, so pretty simple. Finishing that and you're all set. Just click save and just wait for several seconds. And let's turn to the mini BTC miner and that'll show. So if you press the top right button here, you'll see 3 different pages, which is the current mining situation and the time. Also, the average hash rate mining condition of BTC. As presented, just choose the one you prefer.